Hello everybody, Michael Attention from Detail in Tempe. We are going to do another video on bugs because we got the same vehicle and they went all out on the bugs. Way more than last time. So we have our Superior Image degreaser, cleaner degreaser, breaks down bugs, dirt, road debris. So roughly, I think it's $20 a gallon. And the ratio, heavy dilution is 10 to 1, medium 20 to 1, light 30 to 1. So I usually go usually about the medium or in between the medium and the light. It works really good. So I got it in a foam trigger, old bottle. Then I saw this one, the Seafoam Bugs Be Gone dried on crud remover pre-soak. So it says it's safe for everything, safe for all surfaces. Vehicle paint, clear coat, gel coat, metal, glass, mirrors, carpet, vinyl, plastic, dried on bugs, organic crud, bird poop, algae, mildew, brake dust, exhaust, soot, road grime. So basically the same kind of a degreaser. But this was about $33 on Amazon for the gallon, and the ratio for strong is half and half, super strong, a third, 2/3, and then why not 1/4 water, 3/4 bugs. So obviously the dilution on this is much greater. So let's spray half and half and we'll be back. All right, so this is the spray on and let's soak for a minute or two. Now of course this does have a ceramic on it. When the vehicle was this is melting off pretty good already. The vehicle came right here, still had some stickers on it, and I ceramic coated this first thing, and it has been properly recoated every 6 months with the booster. So this is a foaming trigger, so it will just stay on there a little bit more. But the Diamond Bright is my go-to for rims. It's amazing on brake dust, and of course it's the price point too. Super concentrated, so 1 gallon lasts a very long time. Okay, we'll be back in a couple minutes. All right, been about 2-3 minutes. I sprayed the windshield and the top there as well. So I'm gonna get that first. Now, consensus is obviously the first time I did this, and I showed the test in the last video, it required no scrubbing whatsoever. We'll have to do a bug sponge on this one, but literally there's not much difference. They both reacted about the same way. So I would say for the price, go with the Diamond Bright. Actually kind of melted a little bit more. Let's see here. Yeah. So basically same type of product, but for price point, definitely go with the Diamond Bright degreaser from Superior Image. I will come back, foam spray it, and again hit it with the bug sponge, and we'll be back to finished product. All right, so I took another spray and took a bug sponge, just It's the yellow one here, normal one. And I didn't have to, I just lightly scrubbed and everything just came off really nicely. So basically they work about the same. Just rinse the car off. Now I'm going to dry it real quick. But both products work basically the same, but as far as price point, stick with the Diamond Bright Superior Image, and you get fantastic results. It just melts it away. Any other questions? Looking for a video on how to do something? Shoot me an email at detailingintimp@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks, everybody. Take care.